What's up, dude? Alright, it's whack.
Look at my antenna.
What's happening?
Look at my antenna.
Shoot, I see it.
These trees, they're gonna start snapping.
Crazy.
Like tomorrow, I bet you these bitches start breaking.
Okay. Man, but look at this, y'all. Look what the housekeeping does. They literally put a freaking blankets on the concrete, filthy floor. Look at this. This is the narcissism I'm talking about. You dig? Look at this.
Where's you from?
I'm from a lot of places, G, to be real with you.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
Where you from?
I'm from right here, bro.
Okay.
My man's on with though. He's from all over the place too. Texas, Florida, fucking Alabama, Louisiana.
Hey, bro. You know housekeeping, they left this freaking linen on the freaking ground right here?
They didn't even change my shit, bro.
Look, they look on the filthy ground. They didn't knock on my door or anything.
Bro, I fucking rolled my sheet back, or my blanket back, bro. That shit was wrinkled to fuck, bro. I got it all folded up. I'm about to take it up there. I want my fucking another night for free, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's fucked up. Y'all just remade the bed after somebody was in here. That's lazy.
Wow. This is foul. Like, this is legit foul. They left it out here. Of course, they did not. Like, this is some of the most narcissistic, evil bitches ever that work here. You know, this is some. This is.
Never been to Flint. You in the trenches. It's not bad right here. I mean, the hotel is, but it's pretty hardcore, man.
I mean, it is over here because they. No, it is because over here because these housekeepers and these employees are like they real wicked. That's how I'm warning them. Like, if you think you're gonna get your money back, I'll be surprised.
Oh, bro, they came into my room. I was over there and just rented the room, right? And I walked downstairs, come back, I come up. She walked out my room or back in. She went in my room and I caught her coming back out.
What?
Yeah, I was putting her stuff back. And I'm like, putting what stuff back? She's like, I thought this room was empty and I cleaned it out. And I put it all back. I'm like,
you saw stuff in it.
bunch of shit in there.
Yeah, it is.
Obviously, no, it's clothes, my fucking shit, all my shit, bro.
Right.
Like, shit you weren't supposed to even be seeing, you know?
Right. What the frick? That's weird.
Nosy ass. I'll be up there in a second.
I bet. Look at this, man. This is a narcissist record right here. Freaking garbage ass. Leaving on this filthy ass floor. Concrete. Everybody see that, you hear me? Crazy.